And internationally, the U.S. crude oil refining capacity has declined as plants shut during the outset of the coronavirus pandemic, causing pump prices of petroleum products to spike. Several plants are being converted to facilities that can produce cleaner burning renewable diesel, but at least for now, those facilities will not fully replace those refined barrels. Here are the details of these and more from across the globe.
There are at least 12 renewable diesel projects worth more than $9 billion under construction, with another 9 proposed. The 12, along with existing plants, are expected to produce about 135,000 barrels per day of renewable diesel by the year 2025 from around 80,000 barrels per day. Globally, about 400,000 barrels per day of combined diesel, jet fuel, and fuel oil capacity has been lost since 2019. Growing demand and refinery losses have pushed diesel prices to record levels. The retail price of US diesel has surged by 80% this year, and low inventories have raised the potential for shortages. US stock of distillates, including diesel, are down 19% from a year ago. Meanwhile, former Tesla employees have filed a lawsuit against the U.S. electric car company, alleging its decision to carry out mass layoff, which violates federal law as the company did not provide advance notice on the job cuts. The lawsuit was filed in Texas by 2 workers who said they were terminated from Tesla factory in Nevada. According to the suit, more than 500 employees were terminated at the Nevada factory. The workers alleged the company failed to adhere to federal laws on mass layoff that require a 60-day notification period under the Worker Adjustment and Retraining Notification Act. Tesla, which has not commented on numbers of layoffs, did not immediately respond to requests for comment about the lawsuit. Finally, imports from China's Xinjiang region are due to be banned in the US from Tuesday as new rules come into force. Under the regulations, firms will have to prove imports from the region are not produced using forced labor. US officials have claimed members of the minority Uyghurs community in the region have been detained and made to work. China has repeatedly rejected the accusation that it is holding Uyghurs in internment camps in Xinjiang. Several imports from the resource-rich region, including cotton and tomatoes, have already been banned from the US. The restriction will be extended to all imports from the region. Reporting for Prime Edition, I'm Terry Njenga.